This is Mama Mish, and today in my magic kitchen, gazpacho. Y'all, gazpacho is so damn refreshing. With origins in Spain, it's a cold soup perfect on a hot day. Now, I know it's a soup, but it's sorta a salad you eat with a spoon too, isn't it? I jest. Not about the refreshing part, it really is. An instant body sensation happens with that first spoonful. It's fresh and zesty and delicious, simple and super easy to make. Perfect for the summertime since it involves no heat source whatsoever. It can be so hot during the summer that you just don't want to cook, and you don't have to. You can make gazpacho. How cool is that? Let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic and cool. Okay? So is gazpacho technically a soup or a salad? Or both? I freaking cannot wait for this bite. This is really good. This is so refreshing on a hot summer's day. Tell you what. And I mean, you don't even have to turn the oven on, just the blender. Let's eat.